Do you want to search for Reels on Facebook? You can search for Reel videos on Facebook with just a few simple steps. But before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out. To search Reels on Facebook, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on the three-line menu or your profile picture. Now, you will see different menu options like videos, groups, marketplace, and more. Just scroll down and find the Reels option. Once you find the Reels option, tap on it. Now, you can view Reels one by scrolling. To find a specific Reel video, tap on the search icon at the top of the screen. Now, type the type of Reels you want to view and search for them. Here, you will see all the Reels and videos related to what you searched for. Just scroll down and watch the Reels.